Okay, now in this video I will show you that how to configure a Apache Tomcat with the Eclipse, and I will show you that how to change a port number for a Apache Tomcat as well. So right now I don't have a Apache in my C drive, so I have somewhere in F drive. So I will just take it into C drive. Okay, now I have in the form of zip, so I will extract it into C drive. Extract to C drive. It's extracted. Go and see in the C drive. Yes, we got the Apache to be extracted here. So now Apache and also the Oracle 10G. Apache Tomcat and Oracle 10G, that is Apex. Both have the same port ID 8080 by default. So now I will show you that how to change the configuration of Apache Tomcat into some other port ID. Okay, close this. So for that, first we will see that whether it's Apache which is runs or not. So for that, go for C drive, Apache bin folder, and there is a startup. So .bat file, just start it. Double click on it, it will start automatically. The server is started in so and so milliseconds. Okay, come to the browser. http://localhost. Currently its port ID is 8080 by default. So now it's running. So now I will change this port number 8080 into some 8884 or something 080 or something, another different number. So it's close this. To change the configuration, so come to the configuration file, which is Apache to configuration file. There is a one file called server XML. So just edit it. So after editing, scroll down below where to change. I will exactly where to change the port number, I will tell you that. Yes, here we have to change the port ID, where connector port equals to 8080 and protocol equals to some HTTP 1.1. So now I will change here the port ID into 888 Now we save this file and close it. And now come to the browser. We will see whether the port number runs or not. http://localhost, and we have given changed it into 8080, right? We will see that whether it runs or not. Yes, it's also running. We will see with the 8080 also. The 8884. Now run this. There some problem is showing. So wait. http://localhost 8884. We have changed it into 8884 localhost number. I think we didn't saved it. I'll close this. We'll go on to change again. Edit this file. Where we have to change? Here it is. Connector port 8884 and protocol equals to HTTP 1.1. Okay, another here one is there, connector port. So I change here also 8884. Okay, save it. Save the file. Okay, no other connector port. Okay, only two connector ports. So save it. for confirmation, save it, close this file, come back to the bin, start up this server. Now come to the browser and we will see whether it runs or not. http://local host 8080. We'll see whether it is running again on that port number or not. No, it's giving an error. Now we will type that http://localhost. What is the number we have given? 8884. So now we will see that. Yes, we have to change the file, change the port number. I'll show you that. We have to change the port number where connector port. See this. Here one connector port is there, so we have to connector port 8884 we have to make, and another one is there. Here also we have to make a 8884, and here also we have to make 8884. So now it runs. So this is how we can change the configuration for Apache Tomcat to set one port number to another port number. Okay, now I will show you that how to configure what is this, Apache Tomcat into an Eclipse. So open Eclipse. Okay, this is the workspace. Select it. It's loading. Okay, there is no it is a new workspace. There is no files present here. Just create one project. This is a web project, so I will go to the option web and dynamic project. I will select, say next. Come here, give the project name. I will give a simple servlet programs. I will give my project name. So all the folder will be automatically created, whatever required for the web project. And another thing is that the lib folder to store the what is that jar files and all, and I will create another folder here, a file that is very much required, that is web.xml. So this is very much important. Okay, in web.xml we must and should have the tag called web app. This is the minimum required tag in this web.xml. The mapping and all this things are done in this file only. So now I will write a simple program and I will put that into web.xml file for a mapping. So I will create one class, simple class. I will give hello demo. There is no method no main method in servlets, so just I will say finish. We are using here a doGet method or doPost method. We have to extend http servlet. We'll say that a quick fix is not showing anything. Create a class, it's asking for a class. We want the http servlet API we have to import. For that, go to the folder, see Apache. In Apache all the jar files are given by default from the Apache Tomcat. We need now servlet, so servlet API is here. Copy this, close this folder, it is not required, or come back to the project. In a lib file we have to paste a lib file. Lib file contains all the jar files, so we have to deploy all the jar files in lib file. So now we can see there's lots of options coming, that is import option. that is the last time which is not there, so I will click on it. So everything is imported. Now just type a do get, G is capital, control space, enter it. The unwanted statements will be removed. Control D for delete. Okay, now we'll set the content. Content type is text or HTML is our content type, and we will get the print writer. Some object name equals to get the print writer. Okay, now print writer we got it. So write one simple HTML file. I am writing this because of I would like to show you that how to configure the server with the Eclipse. Some bg color we will give it. We'll give a weight. Close the body. Write one simple statement like hello. Okay, Eclipse is integrated with Apache tomcat server. This is the message we will display on web. Close this. Control save. Now to configure with server, right click on the project, say run as. Okay, we will select the Apache Tomcat, say next. Okay, select the project and say finish. The Tomcat server configured, something is showing some error. We'll go back, we'll see that what is the error. Choose the existing, choose finding. Okay, we will manually choose the finding new server. We will choose the Tomcat and we will say next. We'll say finish. Okay, the server is configured, running automatically. Say this. What is the file name? Our file name is, we have given our file name. Before giving our file name, we have to map our class. Mapping should be done with the class name. For that we have required tag servlet. Select the first tag required for us. Next is servlet name, then servlet class, servlet class. The class is over. Now mapping, servlet mapping is required. Servlet mapping, servlet class is required. Okay, we'll take one name, copy it, paste it. Now URL pattern, URL pattern. So control all, control shift F, it will align automatically. So what is the class name? Class name is this one, default package. Package name is default package. Paste it here. Something happened, control Z. no package is there. Copy it, paste its class name, paste the class name, no extension. Give a name for the servlet. I will give a name, one name, that is demo hello. I will give a name for this. Copy the same name and paste it in the mapping, and give a URL name as I will giving demo 1. I will give a name. Don't forget that giving a slash demo 1. I am giving the URL. If I type a slash demo 1, it will goes to this name demo hello. It will maps here, and after mapping here, it will comes to the class hello demo, and it will display the message. We'll see that flow. Now we'll save this, we'll run. We'll say finish. It is not sorted, something error is coming on here. Okay, we'll run again. Right, we will run from here. Right click on the project, run as a server. This is the one. Finish. So restart. Will start, restarts. That will execute automatically. It will showing the error because we didn't give the name. What name we have given? Okay, name is we have given demo 1. So now click on it. See this. Eclipse is integrated with Apache Tomcat. That's it. How we can configure a Eclipse with the Apache Tomcat. That's it.